Good morning, family. It's a Sunday morning. Welcome back to the Lotto Code Breaker YouTube channel. Let's do the lunchtime, and let's look at what we can use for today's draw. This is a pure guidance on how you can play few numbers, right? How you can play few numbers. There is so many strategies that you can use. There is chords. You can calculate chords, and yes, chords are very powerful. You can make money from chords on a daily basis, right? People complain that chords bring a lot of numbers, but the sequence guide you to see what happened on the previous draw. Okay, so now, and we're going to discuss the bonus, what they are doing on the bonus. We're missing it by an inch, but I think we really need to look into the previous results or into the previous draw and see what did they do on the previous draw, because they are doing a 2 draw sequence for every bonus that they are playing. Okay, but we'll see. Let's see how it goes. The first sequence that I have for you is this, starting from 48, bonus 48, right? Okay, let me just refresh there, see if I've got the latest results. Yes, now I've got everything. Okay, bonus 48, 9 and 48. 48 minus 9 goes to 39. 39 is here. You ignore this draw here. Seven, 37. 37 minus 7 equals to 30. 30 sitting there. 18, 32. 18, 32. 32 minus 18. Okay, equals to 19. We've got 19 in the same line, right? And 20 came here, so we're going to go with 18. So our first banker is 1918. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, we've got 49 here and 35. 49 and 35. 49 minus 35 equals to 14. 14 came here. Right, we've got 41 minus 35 equals to 6. 6 came here. These two, they don't give us anything, so we're gonna skip them. Then we anticipate that the sequence is not completed. 39, 24. 39 minus 24 goes to 15, right? Banker 15. To filter numbers, if let's say you are using a code, please use the hot and cold numbers on Lotto Extreme, right? Use the hot and cold on Lotto Extreme. You just press here, you just press there, it will take you to the hot and colds. This is another strategy we got from Paulus. So don't sleep on it. You might have a code that you are using, and then from the code you have 10, 9, 10, 11 numbers. Go to the hot and colds. It will assist you to filter numbers there. Okay. The next one is this. It's still a diagonal again. 20 minus 8 equals to 12. 11 and 5. 11 and 5. 11 plus or minus 5. We're getting a 6, right? The 6 came on an after draw, right? They ignored this one, then they did lunch to lunch. Okay. From the 11, then this one, nothing came. We cancel this one. 14 and 6. 14 plus 6 equals to 20. 20 is sitting here. Mind you that 20 is sitting on hot and colds, right? Is sitting on hot and colds. So today we've got 19 and 4. 19 plus or minus 4. This one will give us 15 again, and 23. Banker 15 and 23. So if you are to look on the hot and colds, you would see that 24 was sitting on the code numbers, right? It played with 32. Remember, 32 was sitting on the code numbers, and then 32 was removed before it played as a bonus. It played, let me go back, show you what happened to 32. 32 was code, right? It played twice as a code number. It played twice as a code number, then they removed it from the code numbers, right? It was replaced by 2, right? After being replaced by 2, then we set on draws, and then it came back as a bonus. It came back as a bonus. It played again with it played with 24, which was sitting on the center of the code balls, right? It played with 24, was sitting on the center as code balls. Now 24 played twice, the way 32 did, right? Meaning to say 24 is supposed also to drop as a bonus, because now it has played twice sitting on code numbers, and it did not drop as a bonus. Now 24 has been replaced by 24 has been replaced by 26, right? And 24 should come as a bonus just the same way 32 have done, right? I hope somebody has understood what I did. 2 was sitting on code balls for how many draws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 draws. It was sitting on code balls as a code number for 7 draws. It did not play, but it has been removed by 13. 13 is now sitting on code balls. It replaced 2. What does it mean? We just really need to monitor and see what it means. So now what I'm saying is, if 26 drops, 24 must drop as a bonus, if we are going to follow what happened to this 32, right? Okay, that was just a quick one on the hot and colds. I hope, Paulos, you are listening to that. You've been waiting for this explanation. So I found a very good scenario that could give us an explanation that everybody can understand. Okay. Okay, we've got 9 plus 5 equals to 14. There is 14 sitting there. 7 minus 3 equals to 4 for chem, right? Eighteen minus 6 equals to 7. Stick with me. I'm going to explain to you what happened to the bonus yesterday, to bonus 29. So stick around, I will explain. Okay, so got 7, that's 7 that came here. Now we have got 4, 7, right? 7 plus or minus 4, we've got 3 and 11. 3 and 11. Okay, so from the odd numbers and even numbers I was explaining yesterday, you can see for yourself when it repeats, that's when we lose it, right? Because 7 was supposed to bring 5 on top, 5 or 9, of which these numbers that it's supposed to bring are sitting here, all of them, right? That's fine. That's why they had to repeat 7. Then remember 29, when we came here, we said we have got 31 and 35. 31 to bring us 25 to 29, 35 to give us 33. So it was a chase of chasing 29, right, from the odd numbers. So we say 31 minus 2 equals to 29. Then now we're saying 35 minus 2 equals to 33. So now we are left with 33 on the odd numbers that we are currently chasing now. Right? So 13 also support the 15, the one that we calculated. Therefore, we're saying 13 plus 2 equals to 15, right? Then we have got 19. 19 was supposed to have given us 21 yesterday since it was a date. So it was to say 19 minus 2, sorry, 19 plus 2 equals to 21. So now we've got 2021 sitting here, right? The missing number is 21. Okay. All right, that's a good one. What else? What else? I want to see something. Let me go back to 32. Okay. 32 played and repeated 32, then they subtracted 1, 31 played, right? 31 played. So come here, we have got 24, 24 minus 1, we should get 23. Simple as that. That's what they did on the other one. Okay, if they are to add 1, then 25 will also play. Okay, all right. What else? Let me see something here. Okay, all right. Let's look into the last sequence that we have. Okay, starting from 5 and 34. 34 plus 5 equals to 39, right? 3 and 31. 31 plus 3 equals to 34. 6 and 24. Sorry. 24 plus 6 equals to 30. 30 came here. 4 and 22. 22 plus or minus 4 give us 26 and 18. That's the last sequence that we have. So 18 is being supported again because 18 we got it from the other calculation. Yeah, so okay, that's the sequences that I have. Now I'm going to look at what happened to the bonus, right? What happened to the bonus? The calculation for the bonus. Okay, it started from here, right? We missed that sequence. That sequence brought 2 bonuses, but we missed it, right? From here, 35 minus 5 equals to 32. Bonus 32 came. 3 and 32. 32 minus 2, sorry, minus 3 equals to 29. Bonus 29 came yesterday, right? So if the sequence is still continuing, it will go like this. 29 plus or minus 6 equals to bonus 35 and bonus 23, right? Those are the first 2 bonuses that I'm giving you, okay? So but then if we are doing draw to draw sequence for draw to draw, right? No, not for draw to draw, but from draw order website, we'll be taking 5 at the bottom, right? 5 at the bottom goes to 37 on top, right? And then it will give us bonus 32, correct? Then if we follow the same lines on the draw order, right, it will be 19 and 29 on top to give us bonus 10 and bonus 48. Okay, so I gave you 4 bonuses today. I gave you 4 bonuses for today: 35, 23, and then 10 and 48. Okay, all right, so let's play, and don't forget to check in the comments. We have got people who are very good with numbers. I've also seen, last night I saw Pamela Nyati's comment. I think Pamela Nyati is back as well, and also Brian is coming back. Brian is back. I spoke to him yesterday, and Nanteke is there. She's also posting. Nondumiso is posting. Paulos is posting. There is Duduzile. She's also posting as well. So check on the comments, in the comment section, and you also get help from explanations. Paulos is also posting there. You get explanations from there, and you get people who have got numbers. I remember yesterday people ignored, I posted it twice. The post from Nondumiso, she had how many numbers? 4 numbers. She had 4 numbers. People that played, yes, they made money. Okay, so don't sleep on the comment section, guys. Learn to join the discussion in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much.